Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to download WhatsApp on our desktop computer, our laptop or our Mac device. But first of all, you have to have internet on your computer for you to download this. Very simple. Just visit Microsoft Store on your desktop. Mine is pinned here, but if it's not pinned on your desktop, you can come to the search bar, look for Microsoft Store, hit on Microsoft Store, we are waiting for it to open. So this is Microsoft Store. If you want to download anything on your Windows, you can open Microsoft Store and make sure you have the updated version of Windows so that you can download from the Microsoft Store. Now when you open the Microsoft Store, you can see WhatsApp here. WhatsApp is here, but in case you don't find it, come here, come to the search bar and type in WhatsApp. So you can see WhatsApp here. That's popped up. So just click on it. Remember, WhatsApp is free, no payment. You can just download it. You don't need any app to install WhatsApp on your computer. So you can see a button here that indicate open. I have it on my computer already, that is why it's written open. But for your case, if you don't have it, the button will indicate get. So the get, when you click on it, it will download. So after the download, just go back, close the window and type in WhatsApp. See WhatsApp here. Let's open it. The lane depends on the internet speed that you're using. So you can see I have my WhatsApp here. Already installed. The account is here. I have my settings here. So when you download the WhatsApp, just log in the way you do on your Android or your iOS phone. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to this channel so that I'll be motivated to bring you more of this video. Thank you